Mental health refers to a person's overall emotional and psychological well-being. It encompasses how we think, feel, and behave, and is crucial to our overall quality of life. Good mental health allows us to cope with the challenges of everyday life, build positive relationships with others, and achieve our goals. On the other hand, poor mental health can lead to a range of issues, including depression, anxiety, and substance abuse. Taking care of our mental health is just as important as taking care of our physical health, and requires attention, effort, and care. Hello, I am Priyank from Guide for Life, and today we are going to tell you 5 simple hacks to boost your mental health. Here are 5 simple hacks that can help boost your mental health. Practice deep breathing. Taking a few deep breaths can help you relax and reduce stress. Find a quiet place to sit, close your eyes, and take a few slow, deep breaths, focusing on your breath as you inhale and exhale. This can help calm your mind and reduce anxiety. Get some exercise. Exercise releases endorphins, which can boost your mood and reduce feelings of depression and anxiety. Even a short walk can help improve your mental health. Find an activity that you enjoy and make it a part of your daily routine. Connect with others. Social connection is important for mental health. Reach out to friends and family, join a club or group, or volunteer in your community. Connecting with others can help you feel supported and reduce feelings of loneliness. Practice gratitude. Focusing on what you're thankful for can help shift your perspective and improve your mood. Take a few minutes each day to think about what you're grateful for, or keep a gratitude journal to help cultivate a sense of gratitude in your daily life. Get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for mental health. Make sure you're getting enough sleep each night, and create a relaxing bedtime routine to help you wind down before bed. Avoid screens and bright lights for at least an hour before bed, and try to create a calm and comfortable sleep environment.
In conclusion, taking care of our mental health is crucial for leading a fulfilling and happy life. By implementing simple practices such as deep breathing, exercise, social connection, gratitude, and adequate sleep, we can boost our mental well-being and reduce the risk of mental health issues. It's important to prioritize our mental health and seek support when we need it. Remember, taking care of ourselves is not a luxury, but a necessity. So let's make mental health a priority in our lives and take the necessary steps to improve our overall well-being. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful. Please like and subscribe the channel for more such content.